Good day everyone, my name is Mary Joy Baldibarona from BSBA 4A. My topic is all about the concept of strategic human resources management. First is the best fit approach. Best fit approach means that the strategies of HR should be related to the problems and status of the organization. Life cycle model. It includes the 4 stages of products lifestyles from startup, beginning or the starting point of the product. The growth, wherein this stage starts to develop or expanding. The third stage is the maturity stage, where the organization experiences serious development. And the last stage is the decline. This is the last part of the organization development. Baird and Mechoulam, 1988. According to them, HR practices should be fit to the organization stages. If the organization grows, the approach should level up also. Baller and Napier, 1993. According to them, if the organization or the owner can't handle it, the demand for a new workers are increasing. The next is best fit and competitive strategies. Porter, 1985. Innovation. If we are in a competition, we should do our best to be unique. In innovation strategy, the organization should create a good way on how to be the best one against to their competitors. Quality is very important in all aspects, especially when it comes to marketing strategy. People nowadays are looking for a good quality products and services that will provide their satisfaction. Cost leadership. It means lower costs in the operation strategy. Strategic configuration, Miles and Snow, 1978. Prospectors. They are focusing on environment changes. They are also focusing on the reaction of the people around them. Defenders. Unlike in prospectors, defenders are operate in more stable and predictable environment. They do research. Defender are not focusing on the changes of environment. Analyzer, it is the combination of prospector and defenders. They both adapt the two operations. Reactors, they are not stable means there is no formality of strategy. Comments on the concept of best fit. Dyer and Holder, 1988. The inescapable conclusion is that what is the best depends, means that they believe what's best for the company or the things need to follow. Papaoa, 2004. It points out that there is a disadvantage in following the best practices. It should have other choices and changes of strategy. Baxal et al. 2007. According to this, not all HR strategy are good and appropriate when it's come to competition. Bundling. It is the implementation of combined strategy of internal and external fits. This development of HR policies and practices can help to the high performance and success of the company. Strategic HR model. Strategic HRM are the combination of HR and management strategies. It always have strategic choices depending on the strategic analysis. And that's all. Thank you.